Hey, welcome to the video Love Bugs. It is your host, Queen Blah and More, and we are here, y'all, for another YouTube reaction video. You guys remember all of these videos are protected by the copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976, you guys. Welcome to the reaction. Make sure you hit the like button. Smack that bell notification. Make sure your bell says all, not personalized. As you see, we react to the mom sector of YouTube. Sometimes we throw the baby daddies in there, but for the most part, we are reacting to the mommy sector. Enjoy.
Skin. It didn't have skin, y'all. It had like fat. I took off some of the fat.
This is gonna be the nastiest damn chicken ever.
Because it's just double the work. You feel me? Like I don't feel like taking off all that damn skin. If it did have skin, I would have took it off. Yes.
And he's touching the damn. Did he just
my
put it
hands are freezing. If it have skin, I would have.
Yo, yes. He is touching the fucking container that the raw chicken is in that was sitting in the sink, and then he just put it in his mouth. Look at AJ down in the corner. Watch what he's doing. He said, "Mommy, what is this? What is that?" Put his finger on it and then put the shit in his mouth.
Oh, my hands are. It's just double the work. You feel me? Like I don't feel like taking off all that skin. If it did have skin, I would have took it off. Yes.
He's rubbing his finger on it and putting it in his mouth.
Oh, my hands are freezing. Okay, I'm done.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, he doing too much. Wow. First it was Ajax, now it's raw chicken juices.
Oh, my hands are freezing. Yeah, they were skinless, y'all.
This is crazy.
Oh, my hands are frozen. Okay, I can't do it no more. My hands are gonna freeze to death. As I keep going.
He probably do be tasting the roach spray too. What the hell? Back in there talking to damn Alexa. He gonna be sick for real.
Okay. Woo, wait, child. Oh, my hands are freezing. Ooh, they're cold.
That one damn triple cheese is so defined. Like, god dang. She must be gaining weight back, because
hey, Dad, hush.
That is crazy.
So next, let's take this, put this over here.
Push it back far so AJ can't taste it again.
Oh, I need the top. Oh, my butt. Oh my god, you guys, my glutes. I'm fire. My glutes are on fire.
And she didn't wipe the cabinet off. Nothing.
So what we're going to do next?
Just sit the bowl right there where the raw chicken bowl was just sitting. Y'all, we all watching this damn nasty contamination together. We got like, I'm gonna say about 10 more minutes, y'all, because I gotta get freaking dinner done before we go to this football game.
We're gonna take these seasonings, so we're gonna put them over here because they're right in the way. Okay, Worcestershire sauce. We're done with you. Okay, we gotta rinse this out too.
Yes, rinse them roaches out of there too.
That's done.
You're gonna be sick just like AJ.
Lid, how long till you can be monetized again? I want to join the membership. You could join the membership now, baby.
Because she's been monetized the whole time.
Not being monetized didn't take away from my memberships.
This bitch is a lie. Y'all see how she just lies? Out of control. Everybody knows for a fact when they demonetize you, they pause your memberships. Nobody can join the memberships at all. Nobody is charged anymore for a membership because you don't have membership because you are demonetized.
Bake it, yeah.
She just lied for no damn reason.
Pot roast with mashed potatoes and green beans.
That sounds good. Pot roast, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
That sounds really good.
Yummy.
Okay. So we are going to
This hoe just lied when she opened her mouth. The lies just fall out.
take our broccoli, put it in this thing right here.
Put her broccoli in the freaking strainer in the sink that she did not clean, that had the raw chicken all in it.
What's in your mouth?
Y'all, make sure y'all smack that like button. We've been here for over an hour.
Alexa, turn it down. Alexa, turn it down. The hell? They're listening to Lotto. They're jamming in there. What you gonna do for Big Mama today? What you gonna do for my birthday? What you gonna do for my birthday? What you gonna do for my birthday? All right. All right.
Alrighty, love bugs. That is the end of our YouTube reaction video. I would like to thank y'all for being the real MVPs and staying here the entire time. If you are not subscribed to this channel, Queen Blama and more, go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Also remember to smack the bell notification so you're notified every time we decide to drop a video. You all remember these videos are protected by the copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. We are allowed to do these reaction videos because of fair use, y'all. Once again, hit that like button. Thank y'all for being here. I will talk to y'all in our next YouTube reaction video. Bye, love bugs.